They said keep on praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. When will tomorrow come? When will I see the sun? Will it stop hurting so much? When will tomorrow come? They said keep on praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. They say keep on praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. My life wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want. You are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. You make my heart and spirit always dance.
Hi guys, welcome back to a new vlog. Welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, a warm welcome to you. I hope you stay, I hope you subscribe, I hope you become part of the family. I hope you become part of the family. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to share my video with family and friends. Please do not skip the ads. We're trying to make some cash, please. Yeah, it's the start of a new vlog, guys. Vlogmas episode 2. I would highly appreciate the engagement. It does not go unnoticed, so please continue and let's grow. Road to 2,000 subscribers. Yeah. I got back from work. My helper didn't come in today, so the house was a mess. So I tried to tidy up, even though I didn't do proper cleaning, but I was just tidying up so that the place can look decent. Tried to, okay, we put up the Christmas tree, but we can't find the decorations, we can't find the lights, we can't find the, so I must still look for that and then complete that. And then, yeah guys, please do enjoy the vlog. Let's chat again tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Hi guys, welcome back to another day of this vlog. I had planned, it's after work, and I had planned to cook with you guys, but the way we shisanga corner, you are standing on the stove is not an option. Like yashisa. I even wanna take this, as light as this thing is, I wanna take it off. That's how hot it is. And they did say there's gonna be like a heat wave for, did they say 2 weeks or for the whole week? I can't remember, but uyashisa guys, uyashisa. So
uyashisa yo.
When so sorry about that guys. Please don't disturb me. Nah, because I don't have space on my phone. Yeah, so before I close off the vlog guys, but I think I'm gonna close it now. I will decide if I need to do my nighttime skincare routine with you. If I do, I do. If I don't, I don't guys. But yeah, let me show you. I just want to show you quickly not exactly what I got. This is what happened. A colleague of mine, I went to work, and then they were talking about the Black Friday sales and all of that, which I don't participate in it because I just feel that the prices are like, the sale is just a normal sale. It's not wow, it's not like 50%, 60-70%. But funny enough, they were talking about the Steve Madden, they have 60% off on shoes, and I'm like, okay, let me see, maybe it's probably just old ugly shoes. But the lady, so I was just checking, I was just looking, and then she's like, and I'm like, okay, I'll check, but I doubt it will have my size. So she's like, what is your size? I'm like, a size 3. And then she's like, oh my god, I bought shoes which were, she was hoping to order shoes, size 5 shoes, but she ordered size 3. So I'm like, size 5 to size 3, how did that happen? She's like, I don't know. So she said I can get the shoes from her. So I'm like, let me see them first. What if I don't like them? So I'm just gonna show you quickly guys. Firstly, I loved the color. I was like, I hope they are gorgeous. So this is the shoe. So I'm like, what? They are gorgeous. So I'll just put the price here on the side, but I think they were 1.6 or I'm not sure, but I'll put the price on the side. But they were discounted at $7.95. Yeah, $7.95. I think they're nice. They're gorgeous. I love the color. I love the color. Plus, I do have some nice pink outfits that I can rock this with, even if it's not pink, but like a break in color. If I use this shoe, it's gorgeous. I love it. I love it loads. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show you, and I think this is what I wanted to say on the other vlog. I love this. Focus it. Love it loads, okay, sanalwam. Make no mistake. So yeah, this is what I got. Love them loads. They're gorgeous. So yeah guys, I'll decide if I'm gonna wash my face with you. If not, we'll see in the next vlog, because the usual space. So yeah guys, let's catch up on the next vlog. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. It was a short vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Please don't forget to share. Please do not skip the ad. I would highly appreciate it. Drop a heart, drop a flower, #Mablomo, #Dipelo. I would highly appreciate that. So yeah guys, let's catch up on the next vlog. We are busy with Vlogmas. As you all know, Vlogmas is like very short vlogs, so I'll be trying 20 minutes, 15-20 minute vlogs. So yeah guys, thank you so much. See you on the next one.